Supporters of ousted Islamist President Mohamed Morsi are taking no chances with security at their 2 protest camps in Cairo. The cabinet ordered the police to break up the sit-ins, saying they pose an unacceptable threat to national security.
In a letter to the president, Republican lawmakers said that President Barack Obama's recent comments on the Keystone XL oil pipeline, downplaying jobs that would be created, jeopardized the project by adding to its uncertainty. The Egyptian interim government said that it will take all necessary measures to deal with sit-ins by the Muslim Brotherhood movement, saying they posed a threat to national security.